Okay, when you're putting together your attack bundle, what you want to do is line up the female coupling with the tip of the nozzle so that the nozzle is not hanging out all by itself. So line up the female coupling with the tip of the nozzle. Everything behind it is going to be lined up just like before. So that way, if you're looking at it from the bite, you still have the male coupling of the nozzle on the right-hand side. So it's really important to make sure those are lined up. Next, you're going to bring up the middle of the hose again. It's the same thing. You're going to bring it just past, enough to be obvious, but it doesn't need to be super long and hanging out all by itself. Line everything behind it up again. Next thing you want to remember when you're bringing up the next fold is to come up to the furthest coupling or the one towards the front of the nozzle. Otherwise, it will end up being longer than it needs to be. Once again, pretty everything behind it. Last thing comes this direction. And the straps will go on it the same way as before. Tighten down, and then what's left will create the duffel bag effect.